They go to Japan and they fight the Yakuza. The Yakuza are a secret samurai mafia that still exists in Japan today. Like, they are the Japanese mafia. You can Google that. But Divya, I'm your virtual librarian, and this is my second recommendation in the series of books that kids actually want to read. Okay, now my recommendation for today is the 39 Clues. It's by Rick Riordan. He's very well known. He's written Percy Jackson, and he's written many more series. Now this is mainly a mystery mixed with elements of history. Okay, is the story of two kids who discover an unbelievable secret about their family, and it launches them into this quest for treasure across the world. Okay, I'll tell you a little bit more about the story. Now, our main characters are Amy and Dan Cahill. They're basically two orphans who live in New York City. They have this evil aunt who takes all of their money away, and you know, the traditional evil aunt. And so they have nothing to live for. Honestly, they don't have a very positive life. The only good thing in their life is their grandmother, who is Grace Cahill. Okay, she is this rich lady who has a magnificent house out in the countryside. Amy and Dan go meet her every month, and they have a blast. Okay, in this old house with like an ancient library and secret rooms, and it's crazy stuff. Right now, the one ray of hope that they have in their life, that is also completely extinguished, because one day they get the news that Grace has died. Okay, and if that's not the worst thing, they have to go to her funeral. Now they go to the funeral, and there are hundreds of people. Okay, all these different members of a big family that they're part of, that they've not really seen before. And after the funeral is over, they're really sad. And so the executor of the will, the person who actually, the lawyer who reads out the will, basically where all her property is going to go, invites them out into a room, and they are asked to sit, and the lawyer doesn't say anything. He just pulls down a projector and he switches on a video, and on comes Grace Cahill. And this is what she says, blows everyone's mind. Okay, this is what she says. She says that Amy and Dan and everyone else there who they're related to are actually a part of this ancient bloodline. Okay, so the Cahill family is one of the most important families in history. And every major history figure, Napoleon, Benjamin Franklin, Marie Antoinette, kings, queens, scientists, emperors, have been part of their family. Okay, now can you imagine one day you just being brought into a room with a couple of your cousins saying, "Hey, you come from the line of Gandhiji and Nehru, and you are their descendants." Won't you just feel like a royal, right? Amy and Dan don't feel like that. Just these 50 people are just looking at the projector saying like, what is this a massive joke? This is the wrong time. And if that is not even the craziest part of what she says, what she follows that up with is actually the fact that their family has been hunting the most important secret of humanity for centuries. Okay, it's the secret that will unleash unlimited power to the holder. Right, it's like having the great wand in Harry Potter, and it's this secret has been hunted down over the longest time, and it's not been found until now. And that's when she puts in a proposition. She says that under everyone's chair there's a letter with a check for $1 million. Okay, that they can cash, they can walk out right now, never see anyone else in that room, and they can cash and they can be millionaires immediately. Okay, and before she even goes on to the second part, 70% of the room is emptied. Everyone's just like, all right, thank you, goodbye. Obviously someone offers you $1 million, you walk out, right? So they remove the envelope. Almost everyone leaves. Now in the room remain only, I think, 8 to 10 more people, and Amy and Dan are still there because they're curious. And so Grace continues saying that you can either take that envelope and disappear, or you can give up the most money you've ever seen in your life, and you can launch yourself on this same quest, travel the world, okay, and have a chance at real power. All right, and then the video goes off. She says you have like a minute to make your choice, and Amy and Dan just look at each other. Everyone's whispering. Now, Amy and Dan had such a special connection with their grandmother that instantly they know that she did not want them to take the $1 million. Instantly they know that their grandmother would have wanted them to go on the quest. Okay, it sounds a little crazy. I don't think anyone's Nani comes up with these proclamations, but instantly they know that they have to go on the quest. Now, imagine yourself in this position, because these kids are 10 and 14 years old. They're your age, okay? And they have to make this ridiculous choice, and they eventually actually end up giving up the money that could make them happy, and they launch themselves on this quest that takes them to South Korea, it takes them to Venice, it takes them to India, and they find out these crazy things about the people they're related to. They find out secrets about Benjamin Franklin, about Napoleon, about Marie Antoinette. Like, for example, did you know that Mozart, the greatest musical prodigy in the world, used to have a sister who apparently was a better composer and a better player than him, but could not achieve success because the moment she hit 16 or 17, she was married off. Otherwise, we would have not known Wolfgang Mozart, we would have known his sister better. And so these are the kind of crazy historical secrets, most of which are true, by the way, that they come to know. Like, they go to Japan and they fight the Yakuza. The Yakuza are a secret samurai mafia that still exists in Japan today. Like, they are the Japanese mafia. You can Google that. But so this is what the story is about. It is extremely easy to read. Trust me, I know I say this a lot, but I only pick books that I know are fast-paced enough for kids like you. Okay, it is literally like watching a movie. So this book is a maximum of 218 pages. It's very easy to read. Anyone from between grades 5 to 10 can read it. It's filled with twists, turns, mystery, history, and you will never be able to see what's coming ahead. Okay, and yeah, that's my recommendation for today. Please pick it up. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart, wherever you buy books, it's available. All right, so I hope you like my recommendation for today, and I hope you guys are staying safe. And yeah, please pick it up. Again, it's 39 clues, Amazon, Flipkart, Rick Riordan, all of it. Okay, so have a great day, all the best, stay safe, and keep